What is a prepositional phrase? That's the point. A prepositional phrase is a phrase that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun. Sometimes it can also end with a pronoun, but in that case, the prepositional phrase will likely be very short or simple. So that is a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases are usually modified by, let's not say modified, you find that in a prepositional phrase, the preposition will begin the phrase. Then after that, what you usually find is a noun phrase that comes as the completive element or the complement, or some scholars call it the object of the preposition. That is a prepositional phrase. We will take examples to illustrate, but we need to mention it from the very start that a preposition, okay, let's just use a pronoun. It can either be an adjectival phrase or an adverbial. An adverbial phrase. Now, what is this point? What it means is that actually a prepositional phrase can be called an adjectival phrase depending on the function. It can also be called an adverbial phrase depending on the function. Now, we'll use the examples to illustrate this point. Let's take examples. Let's take examples. 1. The boy in the room is my brother. What's our prepositional phrase? Our prepositional phrase is in the room. Now, if you look at that, from the beginning to this point is a noun phrase. But from this point here to this point is a prepositional phrase, following our definition of a prepositional phrase, beginning with a preposition in and ending with the noun room. After the preposition, what we have is another noun phrase, while the whole thing is a PPH, a prepositional phrase. So after the preposition, what you have is an NP, which now completes the prepositional phrase. We don't say it is modifying it. So that is a prepositional phrase.